Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Like I mentioned on Monday, I do have a fun box planned for tonight, and that's what we're going to open. If you're new here, my name's Lindsay. I'm a part-time reseller. I sell here on YouTube, also Poshmark and The Real Real, and I do bring videos Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. Don't worry, I will be back with some more jewelry next week on Monday and Thursday. But I wanted to switch it up and do something a little bit different for this week. So if you are new here and like unboxings, I would love to have you subscribe. I do think I ordered this fun box around the same restock as that Coach box that I opened on Monday. If you did miss that video, make sure you go back and check it out. It was an amazing box. So hopefully we have some awesome items in the fun box as well. This one does have some weight to it. So hopefully we have, something cool like that Coach bag charm or, just something else exciting. So this one was ordered on the exact same day as the Coach box in early May. And these run $34 plus tax and $9.99 shipping. You do get a minimum of 10 items, but a lot of times they do throw in extra. And my last couple have been really good. I had Toomey in my last one and the Lily Sadawi headbands. And I think I got a pair of designer sunglasses too. So it was really good. And I'm very excited to get into this one. And Phoenix is here, so I'm gonna have him say hello really quick. He was in my Monday video as well. We are enjoying our Sunday out in the outdoor room. And when we're finished with the filming, I'm probably going to do a little bit of listing today out here. So let me go ahead and give you a first look, and then we will get started with the fun box. And it looks like we might kind of have a beachy theme. We have maybe some hand towels with a palm tree, and then of course a straw hat. I think all of my personal beach hats that I have are all from fun boxes. So this is a cute one. It has the nice tie accent on it, and then there is a little charm there, but I do not see any branding. So these are just nice for travel. They fold up pretty easily. I'm not sure what side is which, but I will probably keep this just because I know I'm going back to Florida in October. And this is a nice one. It's not overwhelming and it does fit really nice. So let's see what else we got. We do have these, it looks like a hand towel. And it's got a gorgeous embroidered palm tree on it. And it just says no size and the SKU, but it does not say a brand. I would imagine that there's 2 in here. I'm probably going to open this up just so we can get a look. I'm going to take the hat off because it is pretty hot out here. I think I'm going to open this just so we can see what it is exactly, because it's hard to really let you know until we even know what this is. No, so it's actually just one towel, and it is a hand towel, but it is a larger oversized one. It is a Land's End, so a good brand. But definitely cute, especially for like a guest bathroom or something. Let's do $6 on that one, and I will include the original bag, but I think that was important to at least show what it is. But it's definitely brand new, so that's a good piece. And our next item is a gorgeous little clutch. It is a bride wristlet, and then you do have these little pom-poms on it. And it looks like there is another D-ring on the other side, so you could put a longer strap on it. And beautiful beaded and pearl bride logo. And this one does not have a brand. It just says made in China. There is a slip pocket in there. And there is a pearl in the slip pocket, but I don't see anything missing from the exterior. So maybe it was something from somebody's outfit. Let's do 6 on that one as well. That is super cute. And our next piece is a belt bag. And how fun is this? Really nice metal fringe. And then you do have the studded detail there and kind of a guitar strap. So you could wear that across the body or as a belt bag. There's gunmetal hardware and a nice chevron pattern on the strap. And this looks to be in good condition, a couple minor marks. I do think this is just faux leather. And you do have a little card holder slot in there and a zip pocket. So this would be really cute if you're going to a country music concert and had on some boots with this. It is so cute. So let's just stick with the theme and we'll do $6 on that one as well. And our next item looks to be a scarf. This is cream and then it does have a fringed bottom. And there are some metallic threading in there that's really pretty. This is super soft. And this is actually a poncho. So it just goes right over the shoulder. This is New York & Company. So really pretty. This is perfect to transition into fall. And still would be nice, even, you know, just to cozy up with in summer if it gets cool at night. But it looks to be in great condition. I don't see any holes or anything like that. I assume this is just acrylic. I don't see a material tag on it, but it's very soft. Just one size. Let's do $8 on the poncho. And we do have a mug or something here. And oh my gosh, how cute. It looks like a honeycomb and then there's a little bee on each side. This is Heartland Hive, hand wash only. So, I mean, that would be really cute if you had some honey to put in it, or you could just use it for, you know, little sugar packets or something for coffee. You could use it for whatever you want. Let's do $6 on that as well. That is a nice piece. And just a few more items here. We do have some lingerie or shapewear. It is black and then there is a nude colored mesh on the sides. And this one is SGQ. And it's an extra small. It does have underwire and a zip back and the nice adjustable straps. So I am not familiar with that brand, but this does look nice. So I will look up some comps on that and put some info on the screen. And we do have a Lily Sadawi headband again. This one is actually brand new with a tag. It is a white canvas. And I don't see any markings on it, you know, where it got dirty or anything. You do have her logo there. And this one is the linen knotted headband. This was an original retail price of $49. And there is her tag there and then the black interior. So how adorable is that? It's probably going to get caught in my hair with this tag. I'm not going to put this on because I don't want to get makeup on it. So I'm just going to comp this style out and I will put a price on the screen. But yeah, I don't want to get makeup and get that all dirty. And then our next piece, we do have Hanky Panky. These are Valentina low rise marshmallow ivory, one size. It says it's a low rise thong and originally $26. And it comes just like that, all rolled up. So let's do $6 on that one as well. Very interesting piece. And we have just a couple more items in here. We do have maybe a belt. And this is also a pearl theme. And yeah, I guess this is a belt. It does have a snap closure. So I wonder if that could be like a bridal belt. And then all of the encrusted pearls. It stretches, but it's not overly large. So I don't think it's going to, you know, go up to a super large size. But even for Halloween or something, that is adorable. So let's do $5 on the pearl belt. And then our last item is a pair of slippers. And I thought this was the tag for the lingerie, but it's different. These are Everly Jane. And it says satin slippers for $55. Now that might have just been sold at a boutique. It says Too Chic. And these are 100% polyester. But they definitely have a satiny feel. And then they have the little fringe tassel on them. And on the back, it does say Huluchi. And these are a size 38-39. So probably would fit about a size 8 on those. And there are a couple marks on the bottom. So possibly they were just worn around the house. But they are adorable. Possibly even vintage. And there's the back on that one, just a couple marks, but otherwise they are in great shape. So I will look up that brand as well and put a price on the screen. Maybe this was like a vintage or consignment store that these were sold in. So those are cool. I'm very happy about this box. There were some really nice items. Let's kind of take a quick recap and see what we got. We got the thong for $1. We had the pearl bow belt for $2. Number 3, we had the lingerie. Number 4, we had the slippers. Number 5, we had the little bee dish that you could use for a variety of things. I'm just going to put that back in the bubble wrap. And then I believe we're on number 6. We had the brand new headband. I have never gotten one of her items brand new with the tag. Number 8, we did have the poncho from New York & Company. And I'll just try to fold that back up a little bit. Number 9, we had the bride clutch. 10, we had the belt bag with the fringe. 11, we had the Land's End hand towel. And our last item was a hat. So I am thrilled with this box. That lingerie has a lot of potential to be a high ticket item, and the headband. So I definitely can make a profit on this one. I always enjoy getting these because you just never know what they're going to have in there. These are also been very difficult to get. So I will definitely be ordering another one if I can catch a restock. But thank you so much for tuning into the video. And I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Let me know if you had a favorite item from this haul. And I'll be back on Monday with some jewelry. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you then.